Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. In this video, we will give you the set of exam for special final. Okay, let us go to the problem. Accounting process, problem situation. On September 1, 2015, Fujiko Higashi Engineering Supply was formed and had an inventory of 30 calculators at a cost of $18 each. The company uses a perpetual inventory system. During September, the following transactions occurred. September 1, Higashi invested $75,000 cash and, together with it, $2,000 inventory. So, not only cash, but there is a 2,000 inventory. Inventory meaning there are materials ready for sale, okay, as a common stock. September 2, Higashi hired 2 employees to work in the warehouse. They will each be paid a salary of $1,900 per month. September 6, purchased with cash 80 calculators at $20 each from Fujiko Incorporated. September 9, paid the freight of $80 on calculator purchased from Tanaka Corporation. September 9, same date, purchase supplies on account for $500. September 9 again, purchase supplies on account for this is 1,500. 1,500. September 10, returned 3 calculators to Tanaka for $63 credit including freight because they did not meet the required specifications. September 11, bill the customers $1,800 for services performed. September 12, sold 26 calculators costing $21 including freight for $31 each to engineering store. The term is N/30. September 14, granted credit to $31 to engineering store for the return of 1 calculator that was not ordered. September 16, paid $200 cash for advertising. September 20, sold 30 calculators costing $21 for $32 each to Amrain's Card Shop. Terms N/30. September 20, received 780 cash from customers billed on September 11. September 23, paid creditor $300 cash on balance owed. And the last one is September 30, declaring and paying $500 cash dividend. You have to solve for the requirements of this problem. Letter A, journal entries to record each of the events listed. Letter B, post the journal entries to ledger accounts. Letter C, prepare trial balance. Letter D, list all the charts of accounts used by the company with their usual code numbering. In addition to this, an examination of ledger and journal reveals the following. Number 1, Higashi collects 1,300 from a customer in 2015 for services to be performed in 2016. It was not yet performed. Number 2, Higashi employees worked 3 days in 2015 but not be paid until 2016. Number 3, Higashi performed services for customers but has not yet received cash or recorded the transactions. Number 4, paid 2,400 rent December 1 for the 4 months from December 1. Continuing, on November, Higashi received cash for future services and recorded the liability until the service was performed. Number 6, Higashi performed consulting services for a client in December 2015, but on December 31, it had not billed the client for services performed of 1,200. Number 7, Higashi paid cash for an expense and recorded an asset until the item was used. Number 8, Higashi purchased 900 of supplies in 2015, but at year end, $400 of supplies remains unused. Number 9, Higashi purchased equipment on October 1, 2015. The equipment will be used for 5 years. Number 10, Higashi borrowed $10,000 on November 1, 2015, signing an 8% 1-year note payable. Take note, you have to identify what type of adjusting entry, either it is prepaid, either it is unearned, accrued expense, or accrued revenue. Okay? By December 31, 2015. The requirement, continuing the problem. So we are now on letter E. Make the adjusting journal entries. Letter F. Adjusting ledger posting and all the chart of accounts added together with the accounts numbering. Okay? And letter G. Prepare the adjusted trial balance as of December 31, 2015. Letter H. Prepare the income statement. So this is now the adjusted income statement. So adjusted trial balance, adjusted income statement, and letter I, adjusted retained earnings statement. Lastly, prepare the adjusted balance sheet. So these are adjusted, right? Adjusted income statement, adjusted retained earnings statement, and adjusted balance sheet as of December 31, 2015. Take note. Take a picture of your work and upload it in the final exam Google form. One letters or one question at a time. For example, letter E, question, here. Make the adjusting journal entries. Take one picture of all your answers. If you have 5 pages, then combine all the 5 pages into one picture. Okay, for example, letter F, adjusting ledger posting and all the charts of accounts. Or just list down the charts of accounts and the numbering, and then together with the ledger posting, take a picture. One picture. Okay? So one picture here, one picture per question. One picture. It is already clearly stated as an instruction that you have to submit or upload one picture per question. That is your answer. Your answer should be included in one picture. If you have 20 pages in one question, you have to put all the 20 pages into one page. Okay? You can do that in so many ways. You can do that in so many ways. And with a maximum of 1 megabytes per picture. Maximum. That's maximum. Don't target 1 megabytes. You can do it 5 kilobytes. The smaller the the megabytes or the kilobytes, the better because it is easier. It is faster to upload the pictures. Okay. Okay. So that's all. And good luck, everyone. Again, this is Dr. Rippy, preaching engineering for nation building.